Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Devi Nur Fajar Anggreni with NPM 2341165. Management class 23C and Business Mathematics. In my 50th video, I will discuss material about the effect of tax and subsidies on market balance is related to the desire to police instrument affects supply and demand in the market. Three are four materials that we discuss for this video. The first, understanding the effect of tax and subsidy on market balance. 2. The function of the influence of tax and subsidy on market balance. 3. Types of influence of tax and subsidy on market balance. For example question. The first, taxes. Taxes are financial burdens imposed by the government on individual on entries in a market context. Tax can affect market balance by changing the price and quantity of goods or service. For example, if the government imposes a tax on production costs will increase, with can the cause selling price to rise. As a result, demand might decrease and the market balance will shift. 2. Subsidy. On the other hand, subsidy are financial assistance provided by the government to individual or entities as well to encourage the production or consumption of certain goods or services. Subsidy can lower production costs, allowing producers to offer lower price to consumers. With lower price, consumer demand might increase by shifting the market balance. The second material we discuss about function of the influence of tax and subsidy on market balance. Taxes and subsidy have different functions in influencing market balance. 1. Taxes. Taxes can serve to regulate the production and consumption of great goods or services. For example, the government could impose high taxes on cigarettes to regulate consumption and accurate health leverage. The tax board increases selling prices, potentially reducing demand and shifting market balance. In the third material we discuss types of effects of tax and subsidy on market balance. Taxes and subsidy have various types of influence on market balance. Here are some of the 1. Tax effect. Effect on price. When a tax is imposed, is as well as caused the price of the good or service to rise as produced to cover the additional costs. 2. Effect of subsidy. Effect on price. Subsidy will usually lower the price of goods or service because the government helps cover part of the production cost. 2. Effect on demand. With lower price due to subsidy, it will usually increase demand for the good of service. 3. Effect on subsidy. Subsidy can encourage the producer to produce more because production costs are lower. Question. Company XYZ produces goods A at a price of 50 per unit. The government then implemented a tax of 10 per unit. How does this affect market balance? The answer is applying a tax of 10 per unit will reduce the profit per unit reserved by the company in the short term. Company may reduce their production to maintain profits. This cost results in a decrease in the equity of goods available on the market, which in turn would push the price of the good up. Therefore, the example of tax can disrupt market balance. Second example. Question. The government provided a subsidy of 20 per unit to company XYZ producing good B. How does this affect market equilibrium? Answer. With subsidy, the company production costs will be reduced. This might encourage companies to increase the production as the quantity of goods be available on the market increases. The price of that good will probably fall. Therefore, producing subsidy can change the market balance. Maybe that enough material I can convince. The first, discuss about 1. Understanding the effect of taxes and subsidies on market balance. 2. The function of the instrument of tax and subsidy on market balance. 3. Types of influence of taxes and subsidy on market balance. 4. Example question. Maybe that I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.